Little Apple Goat by Caroline Jayne Church, with permission from Erdman Books for Young Readers. Little Apple Goat. Down on the farm lived a little goat. She was quite an ordinary goat, ordinary in every way. In every way, that is, except one. She had quite unusual eating habits. While most goats are happy to chew on last week's leftovers or Wednesday's washing, Little Apple Goat preferred apples and pears and cherries. Every autumn, Little Apple Goat spent happy days in the orchard waiting for a crunchy apple, a rosy pear, or a juicy cherry to fall. Plop. Yum. When evening came, Little Apple Goat would trot home to her meadow, and on the way she would send a shower of pits and seeds over the hedge. Plippity-plip. Day after day, year after year, Little Apple Goat's pits and seeds flew over the hedge. On one particular autumn day, a breeze began to blow. The breezy afternoon became a blustery evening, and the blustery evening blew into a stormy night. The animals were very scared indeed. They huddled close together inside the barn while the wind howled all night long. In the morning, Little Apple Goat rushed straight to the orchard. The storm had toppled every single tree. The orchard that Little Apple Goat loved so much was gone. All the animals were very sad when the farmer came to take the logs away. The farmer just wouldn't be the same without the orchard, they said. As autumn turned to winter, Little Apple Goat watched smoke curl from the farmhouse chimney. At least the logs will keep the farmer warm, she thought. At last spring came. One day, Little Apple Goat noticed something bright and flowery peeking over the top of the hedge. Blossoms! She thought as she continued on her way. And then, one autumn, the blossoms were gone. Now fruit hung from the branches. Little Apple Goat could hardly believe it. The animals were so happy to have a new orchard. How did this happen? Who could have planted it, they wondered. But you know who, don't you?